how to make an entryway table using Dollar Tree items. Hey guys, Beautiful Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using wooden boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are kind of new because I did go to a different branch of the Dollar Tree and I saw these cute little boxes. And then I thought instantly to just make a nice entryway table for small spaces. I'll be gluing the little boxes together with a strong adhesive. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I glued 5 together and I glued another 5 together. Now I'm going to leave this aside to set properly. I also saw little crates at the Dollar Tree branch that I went to, so this is another alternative. You can also use little crates to make this same table design if you don't have access to the other kinds of little wooden boxes. Now here are the boxes that I'll be using for the top, and for the top I'll be using 6 boxes. The next day, all I did was to add all of the pieces together. This can stand, but it's not sturdy. So what I thought about for the front to add the 2 sides together will be to use a foam board covered with a silver plated plates from the Dollar Tree on top of it. Having these bowls glued onto the foam board, it's not just going to make it look pretty, but it's also going to give it more stability. I let this set for some few hours and then attached it to the front. I'll use a strong adhesive to hold it down first before then using screws to attach them together. Now because the bowls are plastic, I had to create holes with a drill bit first before then putting in the screws. The bowls kind of came out a bit here, so I'm going to have to compensate for that extension with something else. So I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree crates at the bottom. When I was done, the table could not stand straight only because the weight of the bowls in front was too much, so it didn't work out. So I had to remove the crates that I used at the bottom and used something much more heavy at the bottom to give it adequate balance and stability. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted the sides silver. I covered the exposed side and front with the board covered with mirror reflective paper. I did the same thing to cover some part of the top. I used bling wrap to cover up the sides. Because there's a lot of bling going on this table, so instead of using mirrors, I decided to cover the top with marble contact paper. Now here's what the table looks like. It's so cute and perfect as an entryway table for small spaces. I have made other DIYs using similar plates. Here they are, and I know a lot of you have watched these videos, but for those of you who haven't, the link is going to be down in the description box below for all the videos. This cute table is not only pretty, but it's also easy to make, and I used Dollar Tree items. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.